Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a bloom on this 6x6 tile. And I'm going to use some purple and pink. Dark purple, dark pink, light pink. And some white and black cell activator. And also a little bit of white in between. So I've got some color to go. Sherwin-Williams. Paint. Let's put a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna show you the colors. First I have Pebeo Oriental Violet. And then I've got some pink tourmaline by DecoArt, Extreme Sheen. I've got some metallic white by Artist Loft. Just going to drizzle a little bit of this on. And then I've got, this is Wisteria by DecoArt, and some violet by Artist Loft mixed together. Made this light purple color. It's a bit thick. So I usually add some water and varnish that I have mixed up in a bottle to thin the paints down. Now I have some metallic rose quartz. I saw Celestial Lights do this color combination on Instagram. It looked so pretty. I just wanted to try it. I might do it reverse too. Make two tiles. Alright, so I'm going to do white and black. This is white. Cell activator. And I have black. Oxide black and Australian Floetrol. I'm going to blow it with my mini blower. I'm going to just use this, I guess, right now. Wow. That looks so pretty. That really made a lot of cells. Woohoo! Who knew? A few of them around. Let's give her a spin. See, the dark colors come up in the middle, and they were on the bottom. That's very pretty. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, this is almost done. Okay, let's see how if the middle's moving. Pick it up. Oh, that's really good. What do you think? Should I make another one? I think I should. All right, I'm gonna pick this one up. Clean off the edges. Oops, almost knocked it off. I'll do another one, and I'll do it, this time I'll put the lighter on the bottom and the darker on the top and see what happens. You can spread it out before if you want, but okay. Poke out some of these. All right, so the next color, what did I say I was going to do? The lighter on the bottom. Okay, so this is the wisteria and the violet. And then the rose quartz. And then a little bit of the metallic white. I think when you use metallic colors, I think it really helps with cell creation. And I have a few in here. I got 1, 2, 3 metallics in here. And then the next one is going to be the Oriental Violet. And then the pink tourmaline. Okay. A little bit of white cell activator. And a little bit of black. Where to put the black? I was going to try my attachment, but I want them to come out with the similar results, so I'm going to wait and do it on another one. Just use the end like this. Whoa. Still gorgeous. Just a little more darkness. Let's see the dark. What did I do? I did the light on the bottom and the dark on the top. It's very nice. Not sure which one I like the best. This one's very pretty. Let's see what it looks like after I spin it. I'll show you them both together. Thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Comment below. If you want to learn how to do the bloom technique, there's a discount code under my video in the description. Hit the link, hit the title of my video, and you'll get a drop down for 15% off the Sheleeart course. And my recipes are in the bottom of the video too, in the description. And as long as these dry good, I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Oh, it's pretty. I can tip it this way a bit. Okay, I'm going to see if it's moving at all. This is going to be pretty nice and shiny too. Got those metallics in there. One more. All right. I think that's it. I'll get the other one and I'll show you both. See if I can lift this one up. Clean the bottom off. I don't know if these are both going to fit on here, but just for a minute. There. Very pretty, aren't they? I'll hold it up. Just by reversing the colors, you get such a different look. I love them. I love them both. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Stay around for the dried results. Hi everybody. Here's the dried tiles. As you can see, they dried really good and they didn't move because there wasn't a lot of paint left in the middle. The cells are really crisp. Next time I'm going to do one, I'm going to use less paint in my little puddles. And when I modify it, hopefully they don't all come off. Usually you don't get too much of them left on there after you spin it, because there's a lot of paint on there. This one's very pretty. Look at that. Awesome colors. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.